Zapier versus Make versus N8N. Which one is better? So we will compare each and everything here, all the three websites, and it's essential to evaluate the features, ease of use, pricing, and suitability for different types of users. Each platform has its strength and weakness, and also I've made a complete report. So don't worry, make sure you watch this video till the end. Let's start with the Zapier. So Zapier is known for a user-friendly interface. Zapier integrates with over 6,000 applications, making it the most extensive in terms of availability integration. It is ideal for beginners due to its simple setup and pre-built workflows. However, it offers limited customization and complexity in workflow compared to its competitor. Now, if we just talk about Make here, and Make is pretty similar because I mean all these three platforms is pretty similar to each other. This platform excels in visual up workflow creation with a drag and drop interface. Here it supports complex workflow and robust data manipulation tools, making it suitable for users who need detailed control over the automation process. Make also offers strong error handling and collaboration features, especially on higher tier plan. So of course we will discuss about the pricing, but I'm just giving a short description. Now N8N, it is an open source tool, provide high flexibility and customization option. It is particularly appealing to developers and tech savvy users who requires advanced automation capabilities. It support a wide range of integration and allow user to create high flexible workflow with the ability to add custom code. Right. So here now let's talk about the ease of use. Zapier is really very easy to use, straightforward automation setup. Make offers a more visual approach, and this can be beneficial but may have a steeper learning curve for more users. And N at N, it's provide powerful capabilities. Its technical nature may overwhelm newcomers. It is more suited for users with programming knowledge or those with comfortable technical tools. Right now, Zapier also has a free plan, and let me just show you the chart. Now here it is. Now as you can see here, Zapier has a free plan, Make also has a free plan, and at N is also also has a free plan, but it is a self-hosted. The pricing starts around $20, $30, and $50 a month for cloud. And notable features: extensive integration, user-friendly, flexible pricing based on operations, open source, and customizable for N at N. Right now here, now let's talk about very important thing, that is a Zapier charges based on the number of tasks per month, which can be become expensive as usage increases. Make generally make more affordable than Zapier for similar task volume, making it good option for small business or startups. And N8N is also a good one. It's a free self-hosting option which can be very economical for those with technical expertise. It cloud-hosted plans are also competitively priced but may not offer the same extensive integration catalog as Zapier. Now, if we talk about the customer support, so Zapier provides a robust support with extensive documentation. Make offers you email support and active community forums, and N8N focus on community support with detailed documentation, but offers personalized email support as well. So if you just talk about the conclusion, if you are looking for easy of use on a broad range of integration, Zapier is the best choice. Now, for user needing to handle complex workflows with detailed control, Make offers a balanced solution for you guys. Now, for those who are more technical inclined and want a high customizable platform with high cost, N8N is the ideal option. Ultimately, each platform serves different user base. Effectively, thus evaluating your specific requirement will guide you to the best choice for your automation needs. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you found this detailed description about the three website made you very helpful. And if you did, give us a like and subscribe.